this is Green Spirit back with another video. Today we will be making an Ostara project. We will be making birdseed eggs to hang out in the trees for birds and other little critters like squirrels. Of course you can do this project all by yourself, but if you have little ones, it's a perfect project for them. So stay tuned and we'll get started. Thank you. Hello everybody. Okay, so now let's get started on these eggs. You will need 4 cups of birdseed, 2 packets of gelatin unflavored. I use Knox brand. You will need some plastic egg molds, a cup to or 3/4 cup to 1 cup of water, and then you will also need a spoon and a wooden spoon. You will also need a pot. So to a large pot, you will go ahead and add your 3/4 cups of water. You can also almost use a cup. It just really depends on the moisture in the air. And you're going to go ahead and heat this up on low heat. Once the water is warm, you'll want to go ahead and add your 2 packets of unflavored gelatin to your pot. And then dissolve. Make sure to get all the lumps. It might also be helpful to use a whisk. Make sure that you take any granules off the side of your pan as much as possible. What should happen is that this should turn clear. Right now it's kind of like an opaque color. So once this liquid is now combined thoroughly and it has run clear, you can now add your 4 cups of birdseed. If you don't want to buy a full bag of birdseed, you can also purchase just soft flour, which I believe are some of these little ones, the little white ones, or you can also use millet, and you can get that at pretty much any bulk place, like for example like Winco. Okay, so once you have added your birdseed, go ahead and combine with your wooden spoon and make sure that you coat the birdseed very, very evenly, and you're distributing that gelatin because that's your binder. That is what's going to bind your birdseed together. Okay. Now, taking one of your plastic eggs and using your regular tablespoon, go ahead and scoop in the birdseed into your plastic egg. This is your mold. It's a good idea to go ahead and put a plate underneath so you catch the excess and fill up both sides. Making it pretty packed tight, but enough, flush enough that it will actually let you close the egg. There we go. It's made a nice seal. Then I'm going to go ahead and put these in my muffin tin just to keep them upright. Because this uses low heat, this is an ideal project for kids. They can go ahead and do a lot of this themselves. Just make sure that you supervise them. Again, you just want to make sure that you get enough in there that it makes a good shaped egg, but not too full that the egg won't close. Okay, so after this, all you're going to do is once you get done filling up all your eggs, go ahead and put them in the refrigerator for 2 hours to harden and cool. And then once we do that, we'll come back and go ahead and add our ribbon or twine to go ahead and be able to hang them up. Okay everybody, here is the finished project. This is the finished egg. I've gone ahead and unmolded it. And all I have done here is just added some ribbon. I've wrapped it twice around, tying it once at the bottom, adding a little hot glue to the ribbon to make it a little bit more secure on that bottom. I went ahead and tied it here at the top, and again I put a little dollop of hot glue to just make it a little bit more secure. But now it's ready to be hung on your tree outside as an offering to the birds and the squirrels and any other little critter who'd like to partake. I hope that you enjoyed this project. If you did, please hit that subscribe button for future craft and pagan videos. And I hope that you have a wonderful spring celebration. Thank you for watching, and you have a good night and blessed be.